In this video, I'll talk about gluing the handle grip and attaching a quick release system. First, I highly recommend you buy third-party handles for this rig. Stay away from the Edelkrone handles if you can, but if you already bought the handles like me, this is how you can make them work. Because the rubber grip of the handle is not bonded to the handle itself, any torsion along the axis of the handle can cause the entire rig to pivot in your hand. I couldn't figure out a way of removing the rubber grip from the handle without destroying it, so I used a syringe to inject super glue between the handle and the grip. Now, the quick release system. The built-in quarter 20 screw that comes with the rig makes it very cumbersome to attach and detach the camera. I decided to attach a Manfrotto Rapid Connect adapter on the top of the rig and a mounting plate on the bottom. To do this, I removed the built-in quarter 20 screw and added a 3/8 inch hole behind that so that I can mount the adapter with 2 anchor points. The adapter comes with a quarter 20 screw for the existing hole and a 3/8 inch screw as well. I also added a pilot hole to the bottom of the rig so that the video pin on the 501 style mounting plate could dig in and keep the rig from slipping when mounted on a tripod. With these adjustments, the rig no longer slips under its own weight and allows for quick and easy mounting on a fluid head.